Hi everyone, my name is Rajendra Raul and I welcome you all to my channel End of Ignorance. Friends, today I will demonstrate you one experiment that will literally blow your mind. And for this experiment, I will take Pepsi. One sugar Pepsi and one sugar-free Pepsi. So before conducting the experiment, I would like to ask you, are you with Team Sugar or with Team Sugar-free? Let's put your loyalty to the test with this Pepsi experiment. In this experiment, I will find out how much sugar is present in this sugar Pepsi and how much sugar is not present in this sugar-free Pepsi. So let's get started. Now this is a sugar Pepsi. Now friends, look, this much sugar present in the sugar Pepsi. Look. Now let us check how much sugar present in sugar-free Pepsi. Well friends, you can see there is no sugar present in the sugar-free Pepsi. Only water content is there and it vaporizes. Friends, if you enjoyed my video, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you. Dhanyawad.